Imagine this scenario. You're waking up every single day really early in the morning because you have a regular 9 to 5 job. You need to make sure that you're going to be there on time. Sometimes you're even hitting home really late at night because you have a lot of things to do. And then you watch a YouTube video or you saw a post on Facebook that someone make something 5 years ago and they're making even more money than you. What if I told you that I'm going to explain you exactly this, how you can do something today that is going to be making you money every single day. Okay, so this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. There is no investment required, but you need to put the effort, and you're going to have the option to fire your boss if that's what you really want. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can make money online. This is going to be something that I like because it's passive income. So that means that if right now you have to go to your job, you can do this and it's going to be earning money while you're working, and it's going to give you the option to replace your 9 to 5. Keep watching the entire video because at the end, I'm going to reveal you a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can make even more money online. Now, let me show you everything. Okay, first of all, remember, there is no investment required, but you need to put the hours. What I'm going to be showing you right now, it's several people who are already crushing it with this method. Okay, for example, we have this person. He or she decided to create a Zoom tutorial back in 2022 and back in 2020. By the time recording this video, we are on 2022 and this person have over 1 million views. It's about to hit 2 millions and this is a faceless video. Okay, he or she is not actually showing you their face. It's just how you can use Zoom. That's it. Okay, this other person, he or she decided to go and create an Excel video. Okay, it's the same. He or she is not showing you actually their face. It's just a screen recording on their website, and it's just a simple tutorial with a tool that most of us already have. Okay, this person decided to go the same route and decided to create a Microsoft Team tutorial. It's a tutorial. It says in 10 minutes, but it's actually 9 minutes and 46 seconds. And same, it's not showing you his or her face. It's just showing you how you can use Microsoft Team. And this person created this video last year. It has already 1 million views. Why these people are doing this, how they're actually making money, and how you can do the same. Okay, first of all, they already have these tools. Okay, they already have these tools, or you can go ahead and download the free trial. They are showing people how they can use these tools for the benefits. Okay, these means that these tools are used by business owners. So people who are willing to invest on their tools, they are looking to solve a problem. Okay, and as you can see down below, they have links. Okay, down below they have links that we call them affiliate links. Okay, these are actually links that if they don't have the software and the person like, yes, this is exactly what I was looking for, I'm going to download it. Okay, so they're going to be using their affiliate link. The very first way in which actually you can earn money with this method is, as you can see, this banner. This is what we call Google Ads. Okay, let's say that Google, and this is based on my experience, they're paying you $30 for every 1,000 views. Okay, and this guy, the guy with the Zoom, it has 1,894,963. Okay, let's round it to 1.9 millions. So 1.9 millions, that means that they have 1,900,000 times. I know it sounds complicated. I do enjoy math. So let's put it this way. So you have 1,900 times 1,000. So, and they are paying an average $30. Okay. So this person, he or she already make $57,000 just for this video. Okay. Just for this video, if someone watch it, they are making this money passively. And remember, this is content that you create today and it's going to be there forever. And one thing I really like about YouTube, it's that it's also a search engine. So that means that there are people who are out there trying to find, a solution for their problem. So they're actively looking for this. So what else does she has? If you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment area, where are you from? Because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. If you haven't subscribed yet, click here where it says subscribe and click the notification bell. Do not miss any of my videos. Okay, Dorothy tutorials. Well, she has links. Okay, she has links to her shop. She has links to their ebook. Okay, but you don't need to create your own shop. You don't need to create your own ebook. She also have like a PayPal link. This person the same. They have links. So that's what we call affiliate links. Okay, that means that these are programs. These can also be courses. For example, if you are like, oh Jesus, there is this software that I really like, but this software do not have an affiliate program. What can I offer? Well, you can go to websites like Udemy, okay, udemy.com, and you're gonna see that udemy.com do have an affiliate program. And you can put those links like, hey, if you want to learn more about this, okay, there is actually a course that I really recommend. Go and check it out. Okay, and every single time someone purchases that course, okay, you're going to be earning money. This is 100% passive. You did not create the course. You don't have to take care of the customer. You don't have to take care of the payments. They do take care of everything. Okay, so what programs you can actually promote? Okay, this is an example. Please make sure that not everybody is promoting this at the same time. Well, there is a VPN that is called Strong VPN, and Strong VPN do have an affiliate program. Okay, they say that they're one of the highest conversion. They have one of the highest conversion rate in the industry, and they are a reliable and trust VPN, and they are willing to pay you up to 200% commission. You can join for free, and you can click here where it says join now. You're going to see that there is a tutorial here of how you can install Strong VPN. You can also do another tutorial of how you configure Strong VPN and so on. And the call to action, hey, if you don't have Strong VPN right now installed on your computer, consider using the link below. So how you can record these videos? Remember, this is 100% free. Well, you can go to obsproject.com and you can download OBS Studio. There is no excuses, guys, because you can use it on your Windows computer, you can use it on a Mac, and also you can use it on Linux. Okay, you can download this 100% free. You can record your videos here, you can edit them here, and that's it. Okay, if I will need to do a video about, OBS Studio, first I will, review for me on my channel, and then I was just like, okay, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can install OBS on your computer. Okay, first of all, you need to go to obsproject.com, or in this case, because it's a free software, I will do it that way. Okay, if this is a paid software, I would say, like, first of all, you will need to have OBS. Okay, the setup already download. If you haven't downloaded yet, use the link below so you can download it on your computer. So with that said, people do not need to go anywhere else to download the software. They already have the link, and that link is going to be my affiliate links. Then You need to, click where it says, where is this icon? Click on next, choose where do you want to install it, blah, blah, blah. So that's it. Okay. So chances are like, okay, I'm really into this. I want to take action. What can I do? Or what software can I promote? Well, you already have several softwares installed in your computer. Okay. So you can use one of those. Another way, if you can go to this website, it's g2.com. It's G as in George and the number 2.com. And here's, you know, softwares that business people are already using. Okay. And remember, we are going to be focused on things that people need, business owners need. So they're willing to pay. If you provide a solution, right, to their problem, they're going to be eager to pay this. Okay, and you're going to be earning commissions. One thing about the software that I really like is the fact that most of them have recurring commissions. So that means that month after month after month, as long as the person is using software, you're going to be earning money. Okay, try to be specific about what you're going to be promoting. So if you're not 100% sure how does the software works, you can go to Google and put like how to do XYZ with the name of the software. Okay, there are going to be a lot of articles, with screenshots and everything. And trust me, guys, people prefer to follow a video rather than to follow something that is written with the screenshot, because sometimes they get confused. Sometimes they are not 100% sure where do you need to click. So if you do that, just a video, you're going to be making money online. Okay. So by the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, so that means that you're going to be making money while you travel, while you sleep, I'm going to leave the link below. So that's going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online. If you're ready to fire your boss, please make sure that you're going to click on that link. If you enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.